Hey, what's going on, traders and investors? So, in this video, I wanted to show you how to utilize the Trendmaster Pro indicator, which is absolutely free. You can visit visionstriker.com to pick it up, or simply head over to TradingView, type in Trendmaster Pro. You can read over the details of what it entails and how it's coded, and kind of view the markets from that particular angle. I'm going to specifically show you the 1 hour. I'm going to show you how simple I keep this thing. Okay. So, first thing I do is I set the indicator. And then I like to set my alerts here in TradingView. We come here and we're going to hit alerts, okay, right here. And what I would do is just kind of set the alerts. I come in here and say, hey, looking for Trendmaster Pro indicator. And I set my buy and sell alerts. Buy signal here. You can have only once per bar. Whatever suits you, just click it. I keep the default and I create. So what'll happen is once there's a potential buy or sell entry, I'll get alert to the email and phone and say, hey, we got a potential buy on MES and you can take it there. As you can see, I already have it activated here and I just merely just kind of go about my day and I wait till alert comes. So as you can see, yesterday I got an alert for MES here in the futures market. We had a buy opportunity. So once I get into the alert, this is when I open up the charts and then I'll add other performances just to see kind of where we're at the market. The main thing I like to do is determine my trend based off a moving average. As you can see, a simple moving average of a 50 moving average. And once I load that to the chart, what I noticed is once this candle closed, we still had that buy alert, and we had a rejection from this 50 points. So I decided to basically get into this particular trade. Next thing we'll do is gauge the potential risk on this trade. In this case, we're buying it, so I'm going to use the actual long position tool and just say we got it to the market here, right? And then we'll basically have to gauge our stop loss. You can use just beneath the candle, you can use just beneath the 50 point, or you can go to, in this case, like a recent low. You can go there, you can go here. It just depends on your type of risk that you want to do. Me, if I have a big candle like here, I normally go just beneath the candle. If I have smaller candles, then I'll actually specifically go with like a swing low or just below the actual 50 moving average. So let's just say we had a stop loss right here, okay, just below the actual 50 moving average profit. So next thing is you got to aim for your take profit. What is your aim? Okay, whether you're forex, your futures, let's say futures, we aiming for 10 ticks, you put it there. Maybe your forex, we aiming for 50 points, we put it there. Now for me, what I like to do, just knowing the overall strategy, is I trail these candles based off my other confluences within the overall strategy, which that is also available for upgrade as an ebook for $30 if you want to kind of completely understand the entire strategy. Now, if you don't want it, I'm not saying go get it, but it's $30 and it breaks it down. But this is how I'm able to actually trail this based off my other confluences, and we trail it all the way up until we start to see some type of exhaustion, or if you have a break even, if it go back and stops you out. But let's just say we were able to basically trade this all the way up, and you can see the target right there to the pretty much the close of the day. Okay, then we'll come here and we create our limit order, and just depending on your account size, what are you willing to risk? Okay, maybe we want one contract of the MES. You'll see right here for the stop loss and risk is $92.50 for a potential $403.75. And the list goes on. Let's say if you want two, you risk $185 for a potential $807. Let's say you had a pretty big account, you want 25 micro contract, you risk $2,300 for a potential 10,000 in profit. So these are just examples to show you how you can actually gauge these. These are the types of trades I like. I like low risk, big reward. So, man, like that's just the example of how we kind of gauge our potential risk and kind of know what we want to do. But overall, this is how simple I keep the process, and this is on one time frame. Like merely, if you wanted to go to smaller time frames to get like a better entry, you can do that. However, I like to keep it as simple as possible. But this is just a quick breakdown of how to utilize the Trendmaster Pro. Take care, have fun. If you have any questions about it, make sure you drop them below. I'll see you guys on the next one.